Making possession clear. Mastering possessive adjectives. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. We will be diving into a very important aspect of English grammar, possessive adjectives. These words are fundamental to express possession or ownership in English. They may seem straightforward, but there are common mistakes that learners often make. By the end of this video, you will know how to avoid these mistakes and use possessive adjectives correctly. Possessive adjectives are words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. We use these words to show that something belongs to someone. For example, this is my book, or it's their dog. Now, let's explore the common mistakes made with possessive adjectives. Mistake 1. Confusing its with its. A very common mistake is confusing its with its. Remember, its is a contraction of it is or it has, while its is a possessive adjective. For example, the cat is licking its paw, not the cat is licking its paw. Mistake 2. Misplacing possessive adjectives. Another common error is misplacing the possessive adjective in the sentence. Remember, possessive adjectives always come before the noun they are modifying. So, we say, I love my job, not I love job my. Mistake 3. Using articles with possessive adjectives. Also, remember not to use articles, a, an, or the, with possessive adjectives. We do not say, it's a my book. We simply say, it's my book. Mistake 4. Using their instead of its for singular non-human objects. Lastly, it's important to note that we use its, not their, for singular, non-human objects or animals, even if it might sound better to some learners. We would say, the company is proud of its reputation, not, the company is proud of their reputation. Now that you know the common mistakes, it's time to practice and avoid them. Remember, practice is the key to mastery in any language learning endeavor. Try using possessive adjectives in your daily conversations or writing. Notice when others use them correctly or incorrectly. That's all for today, folks. We hope that this video has helped clarify the common mistakes people make with possessive adjectives, and that you now feel more confident in using them correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until our next video, keep practicing and happy learning.